नमस्कार। I am Mrinal Kanti Tarokdar, head teacher of J.A. Chaudhuri Secondary School, Joygram, Naragati, Kalia, Narail. Dear students, how are you? Hope you are quite well by the grace of God. We could not attend the classes for a long time because COVID-19 or coronavirus has attacked our country. So our government has taken some proper steps. One of them, stay home, stay safe. Now let us learn our today's lesson. Today we shall learn about transformation of sentence. What is transformation of sentence? Transformation of sentence means changing sentence. There are two methods of transformation of sentence. They are transformation of sentence and conversation of sentence. What is the transformation of sentence? The transformation of sentence means exchanging a sentence from one form to another form without any change of the meaning, such as he is a good boy. If we make it transformation, the answer is he is not a bad boy. What is conversion of sentence? The conversation of sentence means changing a sentence from one form to another with the change of meaning. For an example, he is a good boy. If we make it conversation, the answer is he is not a good boy. The difference between conversation and transformation. Look at the board. Sentence, conversation of sentence, transformation of sentence. He is kind. He is not unkind. He is not unkind. Another sentence, the boy is honest. Conversation, the boy is not honest. Transformation, the boy is not dishonest. Rohim is rich. Rohim is not rich. Transformation, Rohim is not poor. Now we shall learn the base of transformation of sentence. One, affirmative to negative, negative to affirmative. Two, assertive to interrogative, interrogative to assertive. Three, assertive to imperative, imperative to assertive. For assertive to optative, optative to assertive, assertive to exclamatory, exclamatory to assertive. Comparison of adjective, positive, comparative, superlative. Active to passive voice, passive to active voice. Direct speech to indirect speech. Now we shall learn some important rules how to change from affirmative to negative. Rule 1. If any sentence has only or alone, if we make it negative instead of only or alone, there will be number, such as only Allah can help us, none but Allah can help us. Not if only or alone indicate person, God, Allah, Jishu, Jehovah, there will be none but. For an example, only he can do the work, none but he can do the work. If only or alone indicate things, there will be nothing but, such as he had only a few toys. Answer: he has nothing but a few toys. If only or alone indicate age or number, there will be not more than or not less than, such as he was only 10, he was not more than 10. Rule 2. If any sentence has must, have to, has to, need to, if we make it negative instead of this word, there will be cannot but or cannot help, such as we must do the work. If we make it transformation, the answer is we cannot but do the work. Or if we use help, the answer is we cannot help doing the work. The another example is we must go there. We cannot but go there. The another answer, if we help use, the answer is we cannot help going there. And if a sentence had to, needed to, there will be could not but or could not help, such as we had to go there. The answer is we could not but go there. Or if we use help, we could not help going there. Rule 3. If a sentence has every, if we make it negative, in lieu of every, there will be, there is no, plus next word of every, plus but, plus remainder of the sentences, such as you say, such as everybody loves flower. The answer, there is no body but loves flower. If we another example, such EVERY, every mother loves her child. The answer is there is no mother but loves her child.